Hello friends, today we are going to start our, our course, that is free sketch course to everyone, and it is free, and the class will be held every week on Sunday. Especially I mention on Sunday. So what is the purpose to start this program and this course? My purpose is to start this course to provide better coding skills and teach them in a way or manner that student can apply these skills to their projects, to their games, to make their stories, animations, even in the science projects, math project, and many more. So we can start with the first slides. We have slides of Scratch. After that, I'm telling about the module which we can follow. We will follow in today class. First, we start with a presentation of Scratch coding. This presentation have a slides of what is Scratch, what is the importance of Scratch, how we can do make stories and animations on Scratch. After that, we will see some games, animations, and one by one we will cover all of the things related with the Scratch coding. So uh, so this is my channel, and hello Tension, I'm very happy to see you. You are the first of the person who is here. Welcome, welcome to the Think STEM Academy. And you guys are best motivation to me because I'm in a struggling phase, and I hope you will enjoy this course. Little by little we have learned so much robotics. After that we will cover codings, robotics, 3D designing, so many more courses we will done. So this is the Think STEM Academy, and I made this channel only for you guys because today we are I can see that the guys, you guys are very interesting about codings and making skills, making games, so much more. So start with a not waste of time, start with the first slide, introduction of Scratch coding. This is my page, please subscribe me, follow me for much video. What is Scratch coding? Scratch coding is a visual programming language for beginners, those who want to apply their skills, apply their thinking skills in a coding. So this is the very easy program, this is the very easy platform to provide you to think differently and apply on the that platform to make stories, games, and many more projects. So it's a visual programming language. Next, what is Scratch? I already told you that Scratch is a free visual programming language developed by the MIT Media Lab. It allows user to create interactive stories, games, animations, and more. And it is designed primarily for children aged 8 to 16. But I can say not for 8 to 16. The most of the people are above the age of 16 are still using this, and I see many more programming, but the top programmers who are still learning this Scratch, making games in Scratch, and do and do the community work for the society. So it is very good. What? Why learn Scratch? This is the first question we learned. Why learn Scratch? Why learn coding? So it is easy to use and drag and drop interface to create code. Children can use the drag and drop interface to create code. No typing required, no syntax error, no any other grammatical portion of the coding. So it is very easy to use to create a code. It encourages the student to express their ideas through projects. It encouraged student to express their ideas, their thinking skills, their cognitive skills, the 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 way to think. It helped to the way to think. Student can apply their thinkings, and it also helps to develop logical thinking and programming solving skills. And collaborations, share projects with the global community. It is a very good nice work. You have to make projects with the global community and share with it. So this is the Scratch interface. You can see this is the Scratch interface. When you open the Scratch, the first page will come like this. If you have any problem, you can tell me whatever. If you are not understanding, and if you finding anything, or if you want to repeat this slide, so I can repeat the slide. And so just say on the chat box, Tension, are you going to screen my project, sir? Vincent. Oh, okay, you. I'm also today I'm not going to discuss because I am already from since morning to afternoon. I'm still trying to your project, and is still also trying that very good project. But today we are not going to discuss your project, Vincent, and I hope we will resolve your problem concern. And Jensen, and who is another one? Jensen, what class you are studying? Okay, so start next. How does Scratch works? This is the block-based coding. There is a two type of coding: block-based and syntax or writing grammars blocking. So this is the specially block-based blocking. Transition, I told you what class are you studying in school? So this is the block-based coding. Instead of typing code, use drag and combined colored blocks that represent different commands. So you are not supposed to be type anything. You are not supposed to be type uh, anything, yeah, any code, any syntax, any column. No, just drag the blocks and drop it in a way of programming, in a way of arrangements. So this is the very easy for you, especially for the children of class 5th to 8th. Sprites and backdrops. Actually, Scratch is also the fun because of their characters and backgrounds, because it provide you the real characters, real cartoon characters. You can make it those characters, and the characters is based on the cartoons character, so you can create different characters according to a program, according to a project, according to your game, so much. And also the different background it have, so it will be easy for you to create some interesting backgrounds, characters. So events and loops. Scratch uses the control blocks to handle action like when the green flag is clicked, and loop for representative tasks, repetitive tasks. Sorry. So these are the blocks. This is the repeat blocks. This is the forever block. It repeat blocks. It can repeat 10 times, and the forever blocks it is repeating until I stopped it. So if I say just do this task in a 10 times, so it is also the underline repeat 10 times. And if I say do this task until I say no, stop, whatever, so the person will follow my task until I say no, you have to stop it. So these are the difference. If you have a number of times, you can use the repeat, and if you want to use it repeat, so you can use the forever block. Key feature of Scratch. There are so many key features of the Scratch. I can see. So, this is all are the key features of Scratch. Uh, these are the blocks. Sprites. First is sprites. Digital characters or object can move, interact, and change. So this is the sprite. You can check it here. This is the sprite. There's a lot of sprites are here. It is also a gallery of sprite. You can use any of the sprite here. Each sprite is behaving differently, and there are so many blocks: animal, people, fantasy, dance. So this is girl is dancing very well. This is also the sprite of Michael Jackson. What he's doing exercise. So music, sports, music, drum, you can use the drum, sports, food. So many sprites are here. Costumes, different appearance for a sprite. Costume, different appearances for the sprite. Okay, these are the costumes. These are the costumes. See, where's the dance? This. See, this is the different costume. He's performing different costume. This girl is performing different step. It means the costume. See this. This girl, animals. See, in this where is barking. This cat is barking. It have two different costume. So these two costumes. This is the different costumes. So this is a different costume one, this is the costume 2. So it have a different costume. It help to move an object, to behave an object what you want to behave with your sprite. Sketch interface. Scratch where the project runs. So stage, this is a stage. This is the stage. This is the stage. This stage is when your sprite is performing different costume, different the this is the stage. The project runs. So this is the background also. Block palettes. All available blocks. These are the block palettes. Motion, looks, sound, events, sensing, operator, variable, my block. So this is the blocks. All are block palette. Navigation bar, project name, code area. So all this is the code area. This you have to be drag it code here. This is move 10 steps. When you click on this, the cat is moving 10 steps ahead, and when you turn after move 10, turn 15 degree, after move 10, it will moving like this. So this is the area which you use for coding, the script of coding. Okay. uh, Block palette, project name. So this is the project name. You can, if you have make an project, you can type it here and save it. So sprite list. This is a sprite list. You can check the sprite list. See, if I want to take this beetle, so I have two sprite. One is sprite one, another one is beetle. You can check the name. You can change the name here. So I typed cat. So the name of this sprite is cat. So the name of this sprite is cat, and the beetle is same. Okay, so if I click on this cat, the coding of this cat is here. Move. Okay, so only the cat is moving. Beetle is not moving because we are giving a programming to only for cat. But if on click beetle and say move 10 steps, so the beetle is 10 moving 10 steps. Okay, if I want to move minus 10 for backward, so it is moving backward. So it is very easy and to perform the code, and very interesting to see your character is moving whatever you want to make. Next is sprite panel. the sprite panel. So this is the sprite panel. You can see the information about the sprite. This is the name. Start with this name. The name of the sprite is beetle, or this is the position x. This is the length of this stage. Length of this stage is x, and this is the y is 28. The height of this stage is y. So show, if you want to show and hide, show and hide. So this is the size of beetle. If I type it 50, so it is smaller, and if I type 200, the double of its default size, see, it's bigger than cat. So I just make it in default. Okay, this is the directions. If you want like this, this is the 0 degree. If 90 degree, this is 90 degree. (180°) and 270°. It 270° or minus 90° is the same. So this is the mathematical portion of a sprite. You can change it according to your project, according to your code. And this is the backdrop area. So you can check a lot of backdrops. Fantasy, all music backdrops. See, this is the music backdrops. Okay, so you can choose a backdrop, and you can paint a backdrop also. You can upload a backdrop from your computer. Now, example projects in Scratch. I'm going to show you some simple programs and animations, maze games, quiz game, obstacle courses. So many programs, so many games you can make it, like maze game, quiz game, obstacle courses, animations, characters, story, that I already told you in this beginning of this class. Simulation, you can create a simple simulation of real world applications and events. Interactive art, so I'll show you some basic program. Sorry. File. So suppose I have a lot of projects like flower petal. So see, this is the animation work, and the scratch is creating a flower, is in art. This is the project of art. The science, the mathematics behind in this project is very easy to understand clearly what mathematical function I use in this project. So it is very interesting project of art. You can also make it. You can make it. You can make it very well. Even so, this is the very interesting. Let me mm, clock. See, this is the clock. So the clock right now is, I think, 4:30. Around 4:30 is in here. So this project is also the basic of Scratch. Multiplication game, GK game, circle illusion, catching apples, like this. This is the game. So this is the game of to catching apples. So this is the game of to catching apple. If you catch the apple, the score will increase by 1. Otherwise, you will not able to eat apples. So very easy. So these all the games are very easy once you understand the concept of a Scratch and coding skills. You can able to make this game. These are the very easy game, and even all the tough game or just the game according to your choices, that also we make by the help of with the help of Scratch. So let me return with slides. How to start with Scratch. Okay, so this is the very interesting slide. How to start with Scratch. So I'm telling you how can you log in the Scratch. You have to be go to this site scratch.mit.edu. When you type this, I will mention this link in details also. So this is the page. This is the page. So once the page is come, you have to be join Scratch. See this. Sign out. Mine is already signed out. So they have to be. This is the page. So just click on join search Scratch. Just create your username and create your password. And next, I've already joined and make an account. So I already signed it. So in this section, you can create your project. And another one is, if you don't want to make online, you can download here. There is a software you can download. You can check my videos. It already there. That's a video of how to download and Scratch 3.0. So let me this is my channel. You can See, so this is the video of how download and installation Scratch. You can check this video. You can check this video and you can install step by step. Very easy. So, benefit of Scratch programming. So, techies, uh, you can learn fundamental programming concept like sequencing and loops. This is also the one of the benefit, because it helps to understand the function of the coding, basic coding skills like sequencing, loops, functions, variables, to help to make big program. When you go in college and higher degrees, you can easily understand because the basic is here. It turns your ideas into interactive media. It turns your ideas into interactive games, interactive stories, interactive way of presentations. So it enhances the creativity to present something. It builds also confidence. It is easy to start, and if you are progressing with the software, you can make a very good games and even a project of your subject. It is very excellent stepping stone to more advanced coding language. So I've already told you that this is the basic programming course, and this is the basic. Uh, Once you understand an excellent understanding of this course, you can easily understand the advancing coding language. So that's a total conclusion is that Scratch is a very great introduction of coding, and it helps to creativity with Scratch. Beginning your journey today by exploring Scratch and building your own projects. So this is the slide of first class, the introduction of Scratch. In the next class, we learn about functions. So this is the first module, introduction of Scratch, we have completed. In lesson next class, we learn about the Scratch basic. What is the introduction of sprite, backdrops, how to add, deletes and modify sprites and backgrounds. And we see some small projects based on that, simple animations. And if you have any problem, just type it here. If you have any problem, you can easily let me know so I can understand and just repeat my transition. After this, I will still trying to resolve your concern. I was very busy. Today is Sunday, so I was very busy, and I already spent my 2 hours of your project on your project, and still trying. So no worry, we will resolve the concern until we finish this work. So I'm showing you one small good animation. I've already this. So this is the one of the project. Let me show you some another project. This is the place value system of under fifth class project. So when you type, suppose if I type 568, the number is, so it will, the sprite will help to clearly mention and help to tell them this is the unit place, this is the tens place and hundredth place. So it will help to place value of 3-digit number. Wheelchair project. Functional handicapped wheelchair. Press button to start. Functional handicapped wheelchair. Press button to start. You can see there are two buttons, call and emergency. If this handicapped man need a call to his assistance, so by the pressing of button it releases sound of need help, and this is the button of emergency. By pressing this button, so this type of program and animation to help for that kind of a student who want to do something for the society, and we live in that society, so we also have purpose to live. How can we help to that kind of people? So not physically, by the with the help of this idea, someone can give small role to make this type of in a physical way. You can. So this is also the game C. So I hope you understand all of these things. I hope you understand all of these things. What I want to try to start with this course. Please like and subscribe my channel to help me to engage with you and even more, make more games for you and solving queries of you. And if you are supporting me, then I'm very happy to see this. And so today is Sunday. So any problem? After that, I will end up this class. Next week, the same time, 4 p.m. we will meet to cover the new chapter. If you have any problem, say yes. Otherwise, I will leave. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you.